How to change subtitle color on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your subtitle color on Netflix. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to the Netflix application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Now once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your profile space where you can open up any profile on your Netflix account. Now, in order to change your subtitle color, you don't have to open any profile. All you have to do is tap on the pencil icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a pencil icon will show up in front of all of the different profiles available on your Netflix account. So simply tap on the profile where you want to change the subtitle color. Now once you've done that, a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the third last option, which is subtitle appearance. After that, it will provide you all sorts of different options such as text size, text color, text edge style, text edge color, background color, transparency, and window color. So since we are here to change our subtitle color, we'll simply tap on the option text color. Currently it is set to white, so it will provide you all of these different options, so you can choose any one of these. So if you set it to red, the subtitle will go red, and the same for all of the different colors. So for now, I'll simply choose yellow. Now, in order to save changes, all you have to do is tap on the save option on the bottom side of the screen, and now it will take some time to load, and there you have it. That is basically how you change your subtitle color on Netflix. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.